Hi, this video is for the Office of the Circuit Court Clerk on how to add more term reports and more information to the resource page. So I'm already logged in, since you know how to do that, and I'm already to the annual and term reports. I'm going to go and edit this page live. Plus, you've already got the documents that you want loaded to your media library. So actually what I do first is go over to the media library, which I've got open here, and we want to put this 2025 address to the community under annual and term reports. So I'm going to click on that, and I've got to copy the URL to the clipboard. So after I've done that, I can X out, and I've got two tabs here open. I'm going to go back to the annual reports, hit edit live. I'm not sure if you edit live or you edit from the back. Sometimes I like doing it from the front. It's just easier to see visually. So I'm going to hover over. This is a checklist element, so just click that. And then what I normally like to do is just tell people to just go ahead and copy something similar. That's always easier. So I would just go over here. Here's all the corresponding bullets. Go up to the top. Actually, let's go down to, it looks like you have this down at the bottom, 2026. So let's go all the way down here. And then we're going to edit that one. And we're going to put 2026, or 2025, sorry, annual. No, let's just, sorry, address to the community. I'm actually going to break the link for now. So there we've got that. Now I'm going to highlight it so I can hyperlink it. I'm going to paste that URL I got from the media library. Hit apply. And it turned blue, so you know it's linked. And then I'm gonna go back here. Now it's out of order, which is fine. All you have to do is grab it and put it where you want. I'm assuming you want it there, so I'll leave it there for now. And actually, I should have put OCCC in there, so I'm gonna go back here and put 2025 OCCC, address to the community. Then hit back. It looks right over here, and then go ahead and save it. All right, and now it looks like you want another heading down at the bottom saying OCC directory and miscellaneous. So I'm going to go ahead and take this title element. If you hover over it, it tells you the name of the element, and I'm going to just duplicate it. Once I've duplicated it, I'm going to drag it to where I want it. I need a little space on that just to make it look good. So I'm going to go hit on it, edit it. I'm going to scroll down here and put a little bit of margin on the top and a tiny bit of margin on the bottom just to make it look good. Okay. So now you want the 2026 directory in there. So I'm going to save this so I don't mess it up. Go over. There's the directory. Hit copy URL to clipboard. So I have it on my clipboard. Go back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add another, actually, what I'm going to do is add another checkbox. There's checklist, sorry. And I'm going to click over here, call this 2026 directory, and then I'm going to go ahead and link that file, which is on my clipboard, so I just paste it in there. It should turn blue. Now obviously this does not look like this, so I'm going to go back up here and just see what the settings were here. It was a font size of 18. I'm just trying to make it similar. So now I'm going to adjust this and make it 18. And then you can go and pick any icon you want. That one looked like, I think it was a document or a book. Looked like a book opening. There it is. And that way it looks similar to the way it is up here. I'm going to change this because you wanted it called OCC Directory and Miscellaneous. And there you go. That's it. So next time when you got to add, it's already set up, so you won't have to do this part again. But the next time when you want to add to here, just go in here and just duplicate this. That's the easier way to do it than to try and create a whole new entry. Just duplicate it and write over what you need. I think that covers it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.